This video, we are going to understand what is ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or DeepSeek. There are many more. They are all nothing but they're all AI assistants created by different companies. So this is the basic understanding we need to have as a beginner. What they all can do, they all can help us in writing, teaching, coding, research doing, content creation, image creation, a lesson plan, summaries, brainstorming ideas, anything, you name it and you get it there. But we need to understand sometimes no we feel that chat gpt answers are very boring and they are like baseless. Sometimes it is not apt for us. Why? Because if you give them vague question, they will give you vague answers, because ai works best when you give them clear instructions and when you ask clear questions. But there is a question, how do we know which is clear question, or how do we know that we have given a complete clear instructions? So we have a prompt formula for that. Now we need to understand what is a prompt. The question which you're going to put into these chatbots or these ai assistants, that question is called as prompt. So as simple as that. When you have a question, you put over there in the box given there, ask anything, and that is actually the prompt. But the prompt will work only when you give clear instruction. Now, to understand that, here is a very easiest formula for writing powerful prompts. It's RTDF. So remember these letters, RTDF. R stands for role, means tell AI who it should act as, because it is going to act as a simple chatbot or else simple AI assistant. You need to tell it that imagine yourself as a teacher, act yourself as a principal, act yourself as a marketer. So it will come on the shoes of what you're saying and then give the answer. So that is going to be very clear. So AI changes its thinking based on the role given to it. If you give the role of a teacher, it will think as a teacher. If you give a role of a marketer, it will think as a marketer. So the next one letter is task. So what task exactly you need from the chatbot? Tell AI exactly what you want. Means create a lesson plan. It's exactly the task, but still it is not clear because we need to be specific. For that, we need to have the letter D, that is details. Add the context and important information. Means you need to write the audience, you need to write the tone, you need to write the topic, length, style. You cannot just simply say that I need a lesson plan for my class. You cannot. It may not understand who is your audience. So in case if you are giving act as a teacher, and then the task is write a lesson plan and add the audience for grade 8, and the tone is a polite tone, and the topic, add the topic, subject, length, style, everything. That is actually the details. Now the format, in which format you need the answer, you want the answer. Sometimes you want it as a table, sometimes as a bullet point, sometimes just script, sometimes carousel format, sometimes step by step guide. That also you need to do it. So in case if you are giving exactly what you want, then that is called as a strong, correct prompt. When you give such kind of prompt, you will get a wonderful result. Now let us check how this is possible. Now you need to remember those letters R, T, D, and F. So now let us understand how to create an account for ChatGPT. As simple as that, you all must have got it, you all must have created also, but still, for some, maybe just a beginner, for them, I'm just giving, go to Google and type ChatGPT, and then you have that login or sign up. You have the option here. You can see here the options. Continue with Google, continue with phone, whatever it is. Now, if I'm going to click with continue with Google, you can choose any Google account and your account is created. Just as simple as that. Now you need to write some details like giving the age here and then finish creating account. When you do that, your account is created. Now I'm going to show you a prompt, a basic exact prompt. I am just going to write a correct prompt using the formula and I'm going to get the answer for that. I have it already. So I'm going to just copy it, and I'm going to see my prompt is first letter, that is role. Act as an experienced CBSE grade 8 science teacher. I have given the exact role, right? Then create a detailed lesson plan for the chapter life processes for grade 8 students. Now I have given the task as lesson plan for the chapter. Now I've given the details also, topic, class also, and I've given what all the things to be included: learning objectives, prior knowledge check, engaging activity, explanation of key concept. Now this is elaborate. In case if you don't want these many, you can go for simple: learning objective, learning outcome, and activities. Now keep the lesson interactive, student friendly, and aligned with CBSE pedagogy. Now use simple language, present the output. Now let us check what ChatGPT gives you. You can check here. Now it has given the basic detail: class, lesson, duration, teaching methodology, learning objectives, prior knowledge check, quick activity, engaging introduction activity, and teacher explanation, key concepts, human digestive. See, it has covered every part of that, and it is adding classroom activities also. Now, will you point out anything missing over here? Because it is going to give you, it is actually given you exactly what a CBSE lesson plan looks like. So, this is how you have to use that formula, and then you can create a prompt. And then when you ask ChatGPT or Gemini or anything, it is going to give you a exact answer which we are looking for. So here again, it has an option to create images also, that we will be seeing in the coming lessons.